Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of Majestic. Now, what you see behind me is an image of the members area, which we are going to go through a demo of this in just about a minute. First, I need to get you over to my bonus page where I have additional information, the prices, the bonuses that I'm giving to you when you pick up Majestic, and other information that you will find helpful. So to get over to my bonus page, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Majestic here. You'll find that in the description of the YouTube video. Click that link and we'll take you to this page that you are seeing right now. Now, of course, on this page at any time, you can click any of the red banners whenever you're ready to pick up your copy of Majestic and you are on your way. But first, Majestic. So it's an app that allows you to hijack any YouTuber's videos and turn them into your own income stream. And it's paying the creators of this $456 a day, every day, with just a click to legally hijack videos from the top marketers out there like MrBeast and Logan Paul and thousands of others. And again, at any time when you are ready to pick up your copy of Majestic, click on any of the red banners that you see. Now, the information that I just talked about, again, just 3 clicks to start turning any YouTube video into your own passive income stream without ever creating a video or editing anything. 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to access. Click on any of the links on this page to get your instant access to Majestic. Step number 2 is unleash. Just link any YouTube video that you want to hijack and let our AI do the rest. And step number 3 is cash. So every time that we hijack a video, we make money. All right, so now let's go over and take a look at this demo video, and I'll be back as soon as it's over.
Hey fellows, welcome to Majestic, the world's first app that allows you to hijack any YouTube video and turn it into your income stream without creating videos, without uploading, without editing, without waiting, and without experience. And I'm going to show you in front of your eyes how to do it. Let's start by going to the Campaigns tab and clicking on Create Campaign. Let's give our campaign a name. And click on Next. Let's add the main video we want to showcase to viewers. For that, we will search a trending YouTube video by adding a keyword here. This is how you get the most advantage of the attention-grabbing, traffic-generating, and action-driven power of trending YouTube videos on your behalf without creating, uploading, or editing any video. If you would like to use a particular YouTube video, you can add the YouTube video URL here, and then click on Search. You can only pick one main video. Let's select this one as the main video and click on Next. We then can create a video playlist with other relevant YouTube videos. This is optional, but it is highly recommended for generating a ton of free traffic to your video ad and image ad, which we will show you how to set up in just a sec. This is how we can get the most out of the traffic you will send to the campaign video player URL, by generating even more traffic to all the videos listed in the playlist 100% free. Here you can search for trending YouTube videos. Give your playlist a title. You can pick multiple videos here. And click on Next. But such a powerful app is nothing without a way to generate income, right? Here we have provided you an awesome way to drive traffic to any URL you want by using video ads and image ads just like YouTube and Facebook do. For adding a video ad to your campaign, you simply need to add the video ad URL here, which can be any video URL of your choice. Add the start time. Add how many seconds you want the video ad to be displayed before the user is able to skip it. Add the video thumbnail URL, which is optional. And add the CTA link, which is where you want to drive traffic to. You can do the exact same thing with the image ad. and click on Next. And your campaign is done. Let's take a look. And this is the video player URL you will be sending all the traffic to. First of all, you can see a full-size video player which can avoid any distractions to the viewers. To your right you are able to see the playlist with the title and with all the videos selected, starting with the main video, which is the first one. If you don't select any video for the playlist, then this part right here will be hidden, leaving you with only one video, which can be a high converting sales video to use. But the fun part happens when the viewer clicks on the play button. The main video starts playing. And then the video ad will appear automatically, just like YouTube and Facebook do. If the user decides to pause the video, then a new window will open in a new tab with the CTA link. A skip button will appear according to the time I specified when setting up the video ad, so the viewer can continue to watch the main video. And after that you can also see that the image ad will appear at the specified time, with a skip button as well. How cool is that? But this is not all. If the viewer decides to watch any of the videos on the playlist, the exact same thing will happen, making this the easiest and most powerful video marketing tool to work with. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple, yet extremely powerful app is just amazing, but I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with Majestic the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. If you're looking to take advantage of the world's first app that allows you to hijack any YouTube video and turn it into your income stream without creating videos, without uploading, without editing, without waiting, and without experience, then try Majestic today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
All right. Seems pretty easy, right? Let's talk about what this is going to cost. The base price is $17, but there is a coupon, the Majestic 4, Majestic, the number 4, will give you $4 off of any of the products in the funnel there. All right. Now, the pricing I have starts with the unlimited edition, but the limited edition, the front end version, is $17, or it starts off at $17. So there are limitations on how many videos you can hijack and things like that. But the unlimited edition for $37.97, you get unlimited, 94 times more traffic and sales with no extra work involved. So just with the click to unlock, unlimited videos, unlimited hijacking, unlimited traffic, unlimited sales, premium support, and an extra 10 AI features that you don't get on the front end version. So the unlimited edition is one that I would seriously look at if you're interested in this product. All right. And then there are the done for you editions, the autopilot, the machine, the done for you campaigns, and the agency and reseller edition, and a bundle of 4 other softwares for $38. Once you purchase the front end, you will then be taken to all of these additional upgrades and with additional information, and you can make a decision on whether those upgrades are for you at this particular time or not. All right, so the features, again, you can hijack any video and redirect that traffic to any link that you want. The creators exploit YouTube for millions of clicks without creating any videos. Thousands of members are making money with this, with Majestic daily. No tech skills needed whatsoever. You get a 90-day money-back guarantee, not the typical 30-day, but a 90-day money-back guarantee. No video creation, again, exploits YouTubers with billions of views with just a click, and will pay out of pocket if you fail with Majestic. So it works in any niche in any country. Turn fun videos even into consistent income streams and no upfront cost required whatsoever. And of course, you get that 90-day money back guarantee. Now, the video demo that you just watched, I do have here on this bonus page. And again, you can bookmark this page. And to get to this page, go ahead underneath this video in the description on YouTube. Click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Majestic here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this page that you are seeing. And again, if you are ready to go ahead and get your copy, go ahead and click on any of the red banners on my page here. Now, I do have a number of fantastic bonuses for you when you pick up Majestic through any of my links here today. So I have artificial intelligence and internet marketing. Actually, let me refresh this because I think I have refreshed the bonuses. Okay, make sure I'm telling you the correct thing. Artificial intelligence and digital marketing, from bots to sales, AI, the power of AI in video marketing. All right, breaking boundaries with AI generated images, prompt crafter, harnessing the power of AI, all put together specifically for this particular offer. All right, now this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. And so once you click on any of my red banners, you'll be taken to the sales page. Well, you will click on your purchase button. It will take you through your secure checkout. And when you are finished with that, you will land on the Warrior Plus purchase details page. Here you will find two things. One is the green button to access Majestic, and the blue button, which will give you access to the bonuses, all of these bonuses that I am giving to you today when you pick up Majestic through any of my links. Hopefully this information has been helpful for you to make a decision if this is something that you want to pursue. It is something that has been working well out there. I've started to use it myself, and I'm getting some surprisingly good results from it. So I can recommend it, but things vary from person to person. No guarantees can be made. I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this review today, and I hope you have a fantastic day ahead of you. And as always, to your success.